Would you like to automatically reduce hunger, burn fat, make your heart healthier, and naturally control food cravings while your body does all of the work? What fuel are you running on? Likely your answer is carbs, as typically most people get their energy to walk, talk, or simply move through their daily routine from dietary carbohydrates. These carbs include starches and sugars that are broken down into glucose, which is then used by the body for energy. Now, unfortunately, excess glucose that's not fully used as energy converts to glycogen, which is then stored as fat. A third of U.S. adults are obese, and obesity leads to debilitating and in some cases deadly conditions, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, joint problems, self-esteem issues, a lower quality of life, and an increased risk of premature death, just to name a few. Carb overload is believed by many experts to be a significant cause for overweight and obesity today. Fortunately, you can avoid these issues, and all you have to do is start using the right fuel for energy. The only exception to the body not needing glucose from dietary carbs for fuel is ketones, and ketones can only be triggered when you eat carb smart and enter a state of ketosis, where your body begins to burn stored body fat for energy. A Duke University Medical Center study found that a low-carb diet resulted in an average of 11 pounds more lost in obese subjects versus the American Heart Association's low-fat diet. More than 20 randomized controlled trials published since 2002 in respected peer-reviewed journals have shown low-carb diets effective for weight loss, stabilizing blood sugars, general health, and to be completely safe. One of the longest studies, but not the only one, found that low-carb eating had a significant edge over low-fat diets in improving good HDL cholesterol levels. A 2008 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reported that the ketogenic low-carb diet resulted in 12 pounds of weight loss in only 4 weeks in obese men, and all the study's subjects noted less hunger and more satisfaction while eating low-carb as compared to eating a low-calorie diet. How do you enter ketosis or a ketogenic state? Easy. You limit the number of and sources of the carbohydrates you eat. As soon as this happens, your body looks to fat stores as its primary energy source. This triggers ketosis, and your fat-burning switch is flipped on. And the best part of this process? All you have to do is limit carb intake, eat moderate amounts of protein, and increase intake of healthy fats. And your body is forced to burn stored fat for fuel. Let our detailed and comprehensive manual be your guide. It's really all you need to get started today. The ketogenic diet can help you regulate blood sugar, which eliminates out-of-control cravings and naturally suppresses the appetite to lose the weight and keep it off. Moreover, keto promotes healthy cholesterol levels, stable blood pressure, improved mental functioning, and heart health. And one of its greatest assets is that it especially reduces belly fat or visceral fat, the most dangerous type of body fat. Low carb really is the holy grail of weight management. And the best part is that ketogenic is not a diet, but a lifestyle that takes the weight off and keeps it off. Eat real whole food, never count calories, and never feel deprived or starved again. Let our report be your guide and discover the different types of ketogenic diets and the various types of carbohydrates, how many carbs to eat, and which delicious, nutritious low-carb foods and beverages you need to eat to burn body fat, what carbs you should avoid, the exact amounts you need of good fats and protein, exactly how to induce and maintain ketosis, the miracle fat-burning metabolic state, answers to frequently asked questions about the low-carb lifestyle, how to trim carbs and still enjoy eating out, and much, much more. You can lose weight and keep it off. You simply need to know how to turn on the ketogenic fat-burning switch and watch the pounds melt away and your health improve. Our step-by-step manual will show you how. Put all of those frustrating years of unsuccessful dieting behind you. Lose weight, get healthy, gain more energy, and look and feel great. Get your copy today.